Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play.
Hey there. Here's a difficult customer. A lot of cleaning, tons of cleaning. And most of the year it's just green, but at this time of year we do have some color. This is probably the peak of their show right now. The heathers are finished, and we have to trim them a little bit. Tons of azaleas and rhodos along here. So we're gonna go into the property itself and have a look at the mower. So the dethatching blade pretty much worn out, and it's time to put a new blade on. Look at those azaleas, eh? Just beautiful. And I've set up the mower over here where the light's pretty good, so you can see what I'm doing, how to change a blade. And we got a couple of rhodos as our backdrop. Okay, that should do it. Okay, a couple things about changing blades. Use up all your gas so you don't make a mess or kill some lawn. Then tip it sideways with the gas tank opening at the top. Less likely to get spillage as well. There we go. There's our blade. Okay. Now you will need a socket set and various bits on the socket set that fit the mower. This one is too big, so you use the back of the socket set to release it. Choose the next size down, which will be this one. Whoops, put it on. And that looks about right. Now this is in the tightening position, so we have to change this dial here. Looks like about 30 degrees. We get it into the loosening. Okay. There we go. Exciting, huh? Okay. Now hopefully with this replacement blade, the mower will be smoother and quieter. So I have a little bit of writing on this. I know that the blade is the sharp side. The sharp side of the blade is closest to the lawn. Often they'll say this side for lawn, printed right on the blade, but this one doesn't. Anyway, fit it on like that. Tighten it up. And switch this back 30 degrees into the tightening mode. Nice and tight. Oh. While you're at it, clean the underside of your mower. Good to spray the underside with WD-40, especially when it's dry. That will season the pan of your lawnmower and allow grass blades to slide through easier and not get stuck in the chute. If you have problems getting stuck in the chute, even if you don't have problems getting stuck in the chute, sounds rude, sorry, I would suggest fueling your mower with the most expensive gas you can buy. This will give you 20-25% more power, and it actually makes the tank last longer too. I can mow 2 full properties with 1 tank. These are big properties. Using the highest, and you know it's like a $3 difference. If you're buying a jerry can full of gas, it's not much different. I'm just so used to cheaping out. I tend to buy the cheapest gas, but it makes a big difference on a mower. And it's supposed to make a big difference on your car too, which you're supposed to do every few months. Anyway, run your mower always on the most expensive gas. That's how you change blade. Okay, until next time.